back. Look at him go! That local boy's going pretty hard. Looks like his bonnet's loose. He's trying to keep those Western Australians on this. And this is only practice too. I can see 77 is determined to keep them honest. Hello, 24. Another one's out, but you might have to put a ready out. Well, that's got rid of one Western Australian, but I reckon he'll get it going again, unfortunately. Well, that's